Hello, you're welcome back. It's been a while since I made a post. Sorry for those who have been following my channel constantly, but I am back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to encrypt a file. What are some of the importance of encryption? Is to protect your folders or your confidential information from unauthorized access. What happens if your PC gets missing, or maybe your hard drive or whatsoever backup you're using, if it gets missing and somebody picks it? It's obvious your information will be leaked. So now, how do we protect this? There are two ways. You can protect it locally on your computer using your admin, using your login credentials, and another method, you can use a zip7 software for your encryption. Now, how do you get this done? You just need to go to your browser, and you go. I am using a Windows computer. You see, this is a download 7-zip 25.01. That is a version for Windows. I am using Windows 10, so I'll just click the download. I will not download it again since I already have. After that, you install it. It's very easy to install, nothing strange. You just need to take the install option and you are good to go. After installation, what happens? Let's take the testing file for example. You right click on it and you take add to archives. Okay, after selecting the 7-zip, you click on it. Now you put the password that you want to use to encrypt the file. Okay, you select the format. Here I will use zip. Just take okay. That is it. You are good to go. Here is the encrypted file or the folder. Now what happens? Let us test it and see. You click on it. Okay, this is the content of the folder. Let us try to play this and see. What do you observe? It needs a password to open. That is how you encrypt, using the 7-zip. So to keep this confidential, we can then come to this file and hit the delete button. Now this is left. You know that nobody can access this file without your permission, because it would always ask for a password. That is just one of the ways. So now let us take this for example. If you want to encrypt this without using a third-party software, you can right click on it. You right click on it and you take click on it and you take properties, you take advanced, you can select the option encrypt content to secure data. You take apply and okay. What happens? The content has been encrypted. That is another way of encrypting it. Please, if you have any worries, you can leave it in the comment section. Thank you.